Now, integrating Asana with Monday.com, it's really a game changer because it's really lets you keep all your project data in sync without constantly switching switching between platforms. And imagine you're working on a project with a team that uses both tools, and usually that's what's going to happen. A lot of people use Asana, and while others they're gonna maybe prefer to use Asana. Then what you can do now, you're gonna have to connect them. You can automatically sync tasks, deadlines, and updates between both platforms. That doesn't matter if one's prefers Asana, because they will actually use Monday.com and they'll also be able to use Asana. So I'm gonna show you in this video how you can integrate it. Super simple. So let's jump right into this video. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. So what you're gonna have to do here is to click on integrate right here. So let's click on integrate, and then you're gonna have to click on Asana here. So here we're gonna see integrations. So here we're gonna see integrations. Let's click on integrations here, and then here we have an integration. So I'm gonna click on this one, and then once you click on automation, here you're gonna see connect your Asana account. You're just gonna have to click on connect now. Here you're just gonna have to enter your email and or continue with Google. I'm gonna click on continue with Google. Now here, once you selected your, I paused that part, but I just selected my Google account. And then once I've done that, it just loads up and you'll be able now to create automations. You are connected with, you can add automations, you can board here, create automation, let's say with Asana. So when status changes, and here you'll be able to see some automations that you can create with Asana. Because I don't want to take the time now. Look only is see what automations you can create. You can right here. You can like look Asana. Now, what if you want to create other apps, integrate other apps? So you can click on here, back exactly where we find Asana. We can find other apps here, and you just need to click on that app. Let's say Gmail, and then you click on that integrations, and you'll be prompted to connect with Gmail, your Gmail account. You just need to now, let's say Stripe. You click on now on this automation, and once you click on it, because you haven't connected your Stripe account, you'll be prompted to integrate, to connect with Stripe. Very easy is actually. You can also see here integrations, and you'll be able to see all the integrations, and here there are the categories for automations. Now in a easy or really easy language, or how can I explain this? It's really simple words. What are automations? And in my opinion, they're like helpers that will take care of repetitive tasks for you. They'll automatically do things like sending notification when a task is done, moving items to another board when their status changes, or creating a new task when a deadline is it's soon, or it's near. So this automation will really save you time and really help you make sure you don't make any mistakes, so you can focus on more on the work, on the important work, instead of just doing stuff or setting up things, or doing stuff that repetitive stuff. So you can, instead of doing that, you can set up some automations. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.